Dipanshu, I think you guys can start.
Abhay, Diptanshu, both of you are ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So let's start.
Okay, ma'am. What a fabulous evening. We have with us the director, the principal, coordinator, and my friends.
And we have a special guest. In fact, a whole team, the House of Health co-founder, Dr. Samriddhi Sharma.
I am Abhay, and with me is Diptanshu, and join us in the Bright Land Talk Show. Thank you, Dr. Samriddhi, and thank to the entire team for joining us today. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
So, my first question. We know that House of Health is a thriving team. Can you tell us a bit about your mission, vision, and your work in this field?
Should I take over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, hello everyone. First of all, I would love to thanks Mahima, Priyanka ma'am, Mahesh sir. There's so many people I would love to thanks. Since you guys have given us the opportunity to be here, our team is creating a lot of awareness in terms of mental health and in terms of women reproductive health also. We do it through the digital campaigns that we run through the technology that is being taken over. And apart from that, I can see so many students here. So we are almost focused on the youth platform. And I'm so happy to see so many children out here because of that reason. So to create awareness regarding overall holistic health is our main aim and our vision.
So the second question, the mental health, I guess is a very broad term. In fact, we have quite less understanding about the demons. How can an ordinary person understand this aspect?
So, to make it very easy for students and specifically students of 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I would first of all love to make it very clear. यहाँ पे हर एक बच्चा mental health को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा there is a fear that comes around when we talk about mental health. So let's not call it mental health. Let's call it mental fitness. Body में physical fitness भी होती है, right? But our brain is a part of entire health and our body. So why not call it mental fitness? We can work it out. And I would love to make it very easy for students out here to understand कि mental health एक taboo नहीं है. You can talk, you can express, and you can share anything that you want on our platform. Further, when we'll talk more a little bit about mental health.
My third question is one word which is commonly used is depression. What is exactly depression? How can one understand that?
So, Mahima, since you have kept the questions so deep with students here, I would love to not to make it such heavy for students out here because depression is a very big word. It involves a lot of clinical symptoms, a lot of heavy psychology to understand for people. But यहाँ पे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, if you feel that अगर आप कुछ शेयर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अगर आप अपने किसी भी दोस्त को ना बात करते हुए, खाना ढंग से ना खाते हुए देखना, एपिटाइट अच्छी कैरी नहीं करना, घुल मिल के ज्यादा बात ना करना, अकेले में रहना, अगर आप ये सारी चीजें किसी भी आसपास के इंसान में ऑब्जर्व करते हो तो यू रिपोर्ट टू अस और यू टेल अस दैट मैम, और मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली आप अपने टीचर्स के पास जाके भी बात कर सकते हैं इस चीज के बारे में कि मेरा फ्रेंड जो है ही इज नॉट फीलिंग गुड और शी इज नॉट फीलिंग गुड. क्योंकि डिप्रेशन इतना बड़ा टर्म है कि डिप्रेशन को समझने के लिए और साइकोलॉजी को समझने के लिए आई थिंक इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ it takes a lot to understand that. I don't want to use words like suicide or depression or schizophrenia with students out here. Let it be very simple. Express करना और express कैसे करते हैं इस चीज को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. So we do provide that kind of platform to all the students.
Okay, the fourth question is, do you think children of school going age get depressed? How can we identify or overcome this?
But can I just get the question repeated properly?
Okay, ma'am. Do you think children of school going age get depressed? How can we identify and overcome this?
So, yes, it does happen with school students. There is no age bar. I think छोटे से छोटा बच्चा or adolescent and then coming to a particular age, every age group can suffer from this thing. But the best part is to recognize it as much early as possible. अगर आप symptoms को अभी से ही समझना, perceive करना सीख जाओगे, तो आगे problem नहीं होगी. Depression is something that is not to be seen. It's not visible, right? हमें चोट लगती है तो ऑब्वियसली वी गो टू अ डॉक्टर एंड हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें यहाँ पे लगी है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी नीड टू गेट इट हील्ड, है ना. हम बैंडेज करते हैं, हम काफी सारी चीजें करते हैं. बट जब ब्रेन की बात आती है तो वी कैन नॉट सी ऑल दो स्मॉल लिटिल स्क्रैचेस जो हमारे ब्रेन पे हैवी हो जाते हैं. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी और कंसीव इट प्रॉपरली. तो हर एज ग्रुप का डिप्रेशन एक डिफरेंट फॉर्म में होता है. इट डज हैपन, but obviously to stay aware of the things or factors or symptoms that are there, most probably you can tackle it out through that way.
So, ma'am, my fifth question is, as students, one common aspect they encounter is the fear of exam and followed by stress. What is exactly stress and how can it be handled?
So stress is obviously a part of your daily psychology. आपका जो mind होता है, it has a certain kind of capacity. एक bottle है, bottle में एक limit तक ही पानी भर सकते हो, right? अगर पानी उससे ऊपर चला जाए तो समझ आना चाहिए now it's the time to cap the bottle, right? तो stress भी कुछ ऐसे ही होता है, ठीक है. stress को आप जितना ज्यादा, इतने सारे फैक्टर्स हमारे आसपास होते हैं व्हेन वी आर अ स्टूडेंट, लाइक पेरेंट्स हैं, एग्जाम की एंजाइटी है, कैसा परफॉर्म करेंगे, फ्यूचर क्या होने वाला है, ये सब चीजें हमारे माइंड में आती हैं जब हम एग्जाम देने जाते हैं. सो मेक श्योर व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू गिव योर एग्जाम, I will be talking about a little bit of small exercises at the end of the workshop जो आप कर सकते हो, and you can understand कि आपका stress level कितना है और आप उसको कैसे tackle करोगे. सो स्ट्रेस इज समथिंग जो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. अगर आपको कोई ये बोलता है कि आप स्ट्रेस में हो तो आप उसको भी ये रिवर्ट करके बोलो कि स्ट्रेस कैन बी हैंडल्ड. इट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट कैन नॉट बी क्योर्ड. एंड इवन डिप्रेशन, and there is one thing that I would emphasize to each and every child here at this age: depression, suicide, these are some terms that I prefer not to talk about because you are at an age where you can handle everything. Okay, so you need to understand that your brain has the capacity right now to most probably take over these symptoms, and आप किसी को भी report कर सकते हो to whom you are close. If you are sharing each and everything with your parent or your teacher, then you might not be coming into this phase. Okay, next. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So
Why
the
is everyone
sixth
so
question:
silent?
there are many instances where children that took an extreme step, not being able to tackle the fear of failure or pressure. What advice would you give to youngsters to handle such situations? How can we avoid such hasty extreme decisions?
So, Mahima, what we can do is, let me switch to the PPT, and I think all the questions might get solved there.
Perfect.
What do you think?
Absolutely fine, as you wish.
Okay, so let's jump to the PPT. Okay, and what we can do is, in between, I can pick up few questions also. Okay, so everyone here who's watching this webinar on mind fitness, I have named it mind fitness because of a reason. Okay, mental health is a taboo, and obviously it will take a lot of time for students to understand the real meaning of mental health. तो इसको हम mental health ना बोल के mental fitness बोलें तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि mental fitness जब हम बोलते हैं तो समझ में आता है कि brain जो है उसकी एक कैपेसिटी है जैसे बॉडी की एक कैपेसिटी है. तो बॉडी को जैसे हम लोग हेल्दी रखते हैं, वर्कआउट करते हैं, तो माइंड को भी कुछ वैसा ही वर्कआउट चाहिए होता है. फॉर रिलीजिंग आउट द स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी जो हमें एग्जाम के टाइम पे या प्रायर और पोस्ट एग्जाम्स होती है, जब रिजल्ट्स भी आने वाले होते हैं इनफैक्ट, राइट. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So here is a question for everyone, okay? Now, mental fitness is something that relates to your mental health. पहले mental fitness आता है, फिर mental health आता है, ठीक है? पहला question है, is it contagious? आपको क्या लगता है, mental health से अगर कोई related problem है, क्या वो दूसरे को transfer हो सकती है? Anyone? Abhay, you can answer.
Ma'am, from my side, ma'am, no. Ma'am, but anyone which is near you can ma'am, it is possible that he can, with the help, ma'am, he can cure that mental health only, depression like that.
चाहती थी मैं, इट इज कंटेजियस. तो पहली बात ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है, जो चीज दिखती नहीं है जरूरी नहीं है वो स्प्रेड नहीं होती. अगर आज आपकी मेंटल फिटनेस सही नहीं है तो आपके जो आसपास के लोग हैं उन सब की फिटनेस खराब हो सकती है. अगर आज आप खुश नहीं है, आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर रहे, तो आप एक ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में आ जाते हो जहाँ पे दूसरा जो दूसरा होता है आपके साथ का, वो भी अफेक्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो मेंटल हेल्थ इज समथिंग दैट इज कंटेजियस, इट इज कम्युनिकेबल. ठीक है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज इट विजिबल टू यू? क्या दिखती है?
No, it can't be. It is not visible.
नहीं दिखती है. तो जो चीज नहीं दिखती है उसके लिए तो ज्यादा क्योर उसके लिए तो हमें ज्यादा सोचना चाहिए. जब हमारी हेल्थ को भी इम्पैक्ट कर रही है, हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ को सारे एक तरीके से इम्पैक्ट करती है, तो उस चीज पे काम करना बहुत जरूरी है, उस चीज को फिट रखना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, डू वी गो फॉर अ चेकअप रेगुलरली फॉर इट? जैसे हम और चेकअप्स के लिए जाते हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ के चेकअप्स के लिए जाते हैं क्या?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
नहीं जाते हैं ना.
No, ma'am.
Third point adds on that we don't analyze and we don't go for any checkups when it's related to mental health. हमारी गवर्नमेंट और हमारी जो अभी पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन है, इस पे लोग कम से कम बात करते हैं. बट इस जनरेशन को ये समझने की जरूरत है कि जब भी कुछ सीरियस होता है या कुछ भी हमें मेंटली, फिजिकली, सोशली इम्पैक्ट करता है, तो वी नीड टू सी अ डॉक्टर. एंड डॉक्टर के पास जाना कुछ गलत नहीं है. इट्स नथिंग रॉन्ग टू सीक अ हेल्प ऑफ अ मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर. ठीक है. इट्स ऑलरेडी फीडेड इन आवर माइंड्स. हमारे माइंड में पहले से ही फीड कर दिया जाता है कि जो भी मेंटल हेल्थ के डॉक्टर के पास जाता है, ब्रेन के डॉक्टर के पास जाता है, उसको हम पागल बोलते हैं, राइट. इट इज वेरी कॉमन. तो ये मिथ अपने माइंड से हटा दो कि डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना है. अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, आपको फील अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, आप खाना ढंग से नहीं खा रहे हो, आपको नींद अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है, यू आर थिंकिंग, ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट समथिंग, यू नीड टू सी अ डॉक्टर या किसी से शेयर करना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज इट देयर इन योर सब्जेक्ट्स? इज इट देयर?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
So,
ma'am.
something that is not there
ma'am.
in your subject, something that is not to be seen, it's not visible. आप डॉक्टर को भी नहीं रिपोर्ट करते हो बिकॉज ऑफ द मिथ्स एंड टैबूज दैट आर देयर. उस चीज पे वर्कआउट करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज ब्रेन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर एंटायर बॉडी. सब जिम जाते हैं और सब डॉक्टर्स के पास जाके दिखाते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेंटल हेल्थ नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट इट. सो हम सबको ज्यादा से ज्यादा बात करनी चाहिए इस चीज के बारे में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. So your brain is like a muscle, okay? If you don't give it a regular workout, it loses out the tone. हमारे ब्रेन्स में भी कुछ ऐसे न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं जो वर्कआउट करते हैं हमारी जो डेली एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, जैसे सोचना, लिखना, पढ़ना, चीजों को समझना. If that is not going right, you will lose a part of your brain and your brain will stop responding properly. तो हमें अपने ब्रेन को एक्टिव रखने के लिए कुछ ऐसी चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं, कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स या ऐसी कुछ हमें एक्टिविटीज हमेशा परफॉर्म करनी चाहिए जिससे कि हमारा ब्रेन जो है दैट कीप्स ऑन वर्किंग. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट सरप्राइजिंग दैट पीपल हु आर इन गुड फिजिकल shape tend to enjoy a higher level of mental agility. आप जितने भी क्रिकेटर्स को देखते हैं, they are so energetic. कितना काम करते हैं, कितनी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी होती है, so they do have a good mental health. ठीक है. तो आप किसी भी ऐसे इंसान को फॉलो करते हो जिसको आप टीवी पे देखते हो, सेलिब्रिटीज और एनीवन, अ क्रिकेट प्लेयर, ही इज ऑलवेज हैविंग अ गुड मेंटल हेल्थ बिकॉज फिजिकल हेल्थ ऑल्सो प्लेज अ रोल इन रेगुलेटिंग योर मेंटल हेल्थ. ठीक है. Next part. Okay, next slide.
It's next.
So this is a chart that basically makes you explain about what exactly is your mental fitness about. आपकी mental fitness किस चीज से बनती है, ठीक है? First is what you think, आज आप क्या सोचते हो, ठीक है? Second is how you behave, आपके साथ का जो भी आपका friend है, partner है, your mother, how is she behaving with you, ठीक है? थर्ड इज हाउ यू फील इमोशंस, आपकी जो इमोशंस होती हैं, आप कैसा फील करते हो, आप अच्छा, आज आप अच्छा फील कर रहे हो या बुरा फील कर रहे हो या आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो हाउ यू फील इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ. व्हाट यू ईट, आप जो खाते हो, व्हाई डू वी से दैट वी नीड टू हैव हेल्दी फूड? देयर इज अ बिग रीजन बिहाइंड व्हाट यू ईट makes your brain run in a particular sort of manner. आज आप जंक फूड ज्यादा खाओगे तो योर मेंटल फिटनेस ऑल्सो समवेयर गेट्स हैम्पर्ड. ओके, व्हाट यू हियर, अब आप सुनते देखते कहाँ से हो? मैं एक क्वेश्चन सबसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि आप सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी को कंज्यूम करते हो इस टाइम पे? इफ यू आर देयर, सपोज आई से कोई फेसबुक ज्यादा यूज करता है, कोई इंस्टाग्राम ज्यादा यूज करता है, कोई व्हाट्सएप ज्यादा यूज करता है. सो आप जितना भी सुनते हो और जितना भी देखते हो, जितना भी कंज्यूम करते हो, वो आपकी मेंटल फिटनेस को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता है, ठीक है? मतलब इट समवेयर अफेक्ट्स योर ब्रेन, राइट? तो यहाँ पे कितने सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो ऑलरेडी सोशल मीडिया पे हैं? आई वुड लव टू नो दिस वन थिंग विद दिस बैच. How many people are there on Instagram? How many people are there on Facebook? Technology addicts, or most probably gaming, PUBG, something like PUBG. How
Ma'am,
many
I'm
students?
there.
And I
I'm there.
also.
Ma'am, only my parents are there.
Ma'am, I am.
Only
But in
WhatsApp.
chat there are people
Only
who
WhatsApp.
are using a lot of technology. Okay, so understand one thing, that आप जितना भी कंज्यूम करते हो थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, नाउ देयर आर फ्यू साइंस दैट आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो आपको इग्नोर नहीं करने चाहिए, चाहे वो अपने फ्रेंड में देखो, चाहे वो आप किसी भी अपने पार्टनर में, और एनीवन हु इज अराउंड यू. अगर आपको ये सारे साइंस किसी में दिखते हैं, देन यू शुड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन. आप उसके पास जाके उससे बात करो, या फिर आप अपने पेरेंट्स को या अपनी टीचर्स को रिपोर्ट करो, मैम दैट दिस पर्सन इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस, आई नीड यू टू टॉक टू दैट पर्टिकुलर चाइल्ड और योर फ्रेंड, ठीक है? फर्स्ट इज फीलिंग सैड और डाउन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. नाउ नॉर्मल सैड होना इज नॉट बैड. हम कभी कभी कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो हमें बहुत बुरा लगता है, और थोड़े टाइम में वो चीज ठीक हो जाती है, हम थोड़े टाइम में बैक टू नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं. दैट इज फाइन. बीइंग सैड इज फाइन, बट बीइंग मोर देन सैड, इट्स, सपोज कोई आपको दिख रहा है एंड दैट पर्सन इज लाइक, उसको 2 हफ्ते हो गए, 2 हफ्ते से ऊपर हो गए हैं टू स्टे इन द सेम स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. ही इज नॉट हैप्पी for more than 2 weeks. You cannot see any activity with that person. So that means you need to talk to that person or report. ठीक है? Second is staying confused or reduced ability to concentrate. आपको लगता है आपकी क्लास में कोई ऐसा है जो concentrate नहीं कर पा रहा है एक particular task पे, या फिर आपको लगता है उसकी concentration power उतनी नहीं है जितना एक normal child की होनी चाहिए. So then again you need to report. Third is excessive fear or worries or extreme feeling of unexplained guilt. Now this is something जैसे how can I explain this? This is आपका fault नहीं है, and then again you are blaming yourself again and again. Suppose it's not my fault, and then again I'm saying this is what has happened because of me. So अगर आपको repetitively कोई ये बोल रहा है, then you need to see that person or talk to that person. फोर्थ इज एक्सट्रीम मूड चेंजेस ऑफ हाइज एंड लोज. आपको कभी लगता है कोई इंसान एकदम से बहुत खुश हो गया, एकदम से बहुत डिप्रेस्ड हो जाता है, या बहुत ज्यादा सैड हो जाता है, बात करो उससे. इट्स नॉट दैट इट इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, बट बात करनी चाहिए. फोर्थ इज withdrawal from friends and family. Someone you see is not talking to their parents or their cousins or their friends, you need to report. सिग्निफिकेंट टायर्डनेस और इंसोम्निया, नींद अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है, पूरा दिन आपको लगता है बहुत लेजी रहता है, इज नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट इन स्टडीज, एग्जाम्स में मार्क्स भी अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, फ्रेंड से भी नहीं बात करता है. सो इट्स समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी हैंडल्ड, बिकॉज एट दिस एज इट स्टार्ट्स एंड लेटर ऑन इट प्रोग्रेस. ठीक है. चेंज इन एपेटाइट एंड एंजाइटी. नाउ एंजाइटी इज समथिंग जो हम सबको होती है while we go through our एग्जाम्स, पोस्ट एग्जाम्स, प्रायर एग्जाम्स. कोई भी ऐसी न्यूज सुन ली जो अभी इस टाइम पे चल रही है एंड यू नॉट फीलिंग गुड अबाउट इट, तो ऑब्वियसली एंजाइटी होती है. एंजाइटी इज समथिंग व्हेन यू डोंट फील गुड अबाउट योर नॉर्मल रूटीन. आप नॉर्मल रूटीन में चल रहे हैं एंड आपको घबराहट होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मुझे घबराहट होती है, मुझे डर लगता है, या फिर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा काफी टाइम से. सो इट्स समथिंग दैट रिलेट्स टू एंजाइटी. ठीक है. अगर आपको ये सारे सिम्टम्स किसी में भी दिखते हैं, आई विल लव यू पीपल टू टॉक टू दैट पर्सन एंड या फिर अपनी टीचर को रिपोर्ट करो. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन थिंग. अभी कोविड आ गया है, कोरोना की वजह से एवरीथिंग हैज गॉट स्पॉइल्ड. 360-degree change has come in everyone's life, right? So अगर कोई अपने आप को ब्लेम कर रहा है इस टाइम पे, तो स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग, बिकॉज अभी का जो टाइम है वो बहुत अनसर्टेन है. ओके, दिस टाइम इज अनसर्टेन. We obviously need to understand that this time will go. This time will again get reback. Like we'll again go to school and we'll again do all those things that we were doing prior, right? So don't fear out this one thing. Second, lockdown में काफी लोग I think they are missing their friends. न्यू वर्क स्ट्रक्चर हो गया है, ऑनलाइन घर से ही काम करना पड़ रहा है, तो वो भी बहुत एक एक्सर्शन लगता है. ठीक है. नो सोशलाइजिंग. पहले जैसे फेस टू फेस फ्रेंड से मिलते थे, अब वो नहीं हो रहा है. We are doing it like virtually, right? Next is stagnation of life. Because of this, the entire routine, entire physical activity, entire brain environment of yours has changed. You are adapting to a new situation, right? आप सब एक नए रूटीन में ढल गए हो. जैसे कि अभी मैम ने बोला कि अभी आज डेट ही नहीं याद है, आज टाइम ही याद नहीं है कि टाइम क्या है अभी. ठीक है. सो इट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द डेली रूटीन जो हमारा चेंज हो गया. Second is unhealthy habits. I have seen a lot of students going through this one thing. घर पे बैठे हैं, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, एंड हाथ में एक चिप्स का पैकेट जरूर होता है. ठीक है. So there comes a big factor. Whatever you are eating plays a big role. So choose wisely. आप जो भी खा रहे हो उसको बहुत ध्यान से सोच समझ के it is nutritious or not for you. उसके बारे में मैं आगे बात करूंगी कि आप क्या क्या चीजें खा सकते हो इस पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में. Second is the last thing is overthinking and family conflicts. Obviously हम सबकी घर पे ज्यादा हैं, तो पेरेंट्स की भी लड़ाई हो जाती है, कभी हमारी भी हो जाती है, and it happens with us also. It's not just with you. ये सबके साथ हो रहा है. So make sure that this particular time you're not making any decision, not taking any hardcore implication to your mind. ठीक है. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं सोचना है, because अभी it's a 360-degree change. We will come back to normal, right? Next slide. ओके, सो मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा था सबने स्ट्रेस के बारे में. स्ट्रेस इज नॉट समथिंग बैड. ओके, ये अपने माइंड से एक टैबू प्लीज रिमूव. अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेस इज गुड फॉर यू. इट्स नॉट समथिंग बैड, बिकॉज हर चीज का बॉडी में एक मैकेनिज्म है. बॉडी अपने आप को बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए कुछ चीजें परफॉर्म करती है. कुछ ऐसे फंक्शंस होते हैं हमारी बॉडी में जो सेल्फ रेगुलेट करते हैं, राइट? सो जब भी आपकी बॉडी में आपको लगता है कुछ स्ट्रेस फैक्टर्स, आपको लग रहा है ज्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, तो उसका कोई ना कोई रीजन जरूर होगा. नीड टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज दैट वन रीजन दैट इज कॉजिंग यू स्ट्रेस. ओके, आप किस चीज की वजह से इतना सोच रहे हो या फिर इतना स्ट्रेस आउट कर रहे हो. कभी कभी कुछ खाने की फूड आइटम्स भी होती हैं कुछ, जिसकी वजह से हमें स्ट्रेस क्रिएट होता है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे स्विच टू कॉफी और कैफीन. इट्स अ बिग फैक्टर दैट इंक्रीजेज योर कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स. कॉर्टिसोल बॉडी में एक हार्मोन होता है जिसकी वजह से स्ट्रेस लेवल्स इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. सो ऐसे छोटे छोटे फैक्टर्स हैं बॉडी में जो स्ट्रेस को इंक्रीज करते हैं. So you need to take care of that. A little bit of stress is good for, like it's good for you. In this situation, if you're experiencing fear, shock, anger, confusion, a lot of frustration, so it is all because of the 360-degree change that has come due to the COVID times. Okay. Now, हम इस टाइम में ऐसी क्या चीज कर सकते हैं जिससे हमारा स्ट्रेस थोड़ा कम हो और हम अपनी बॉडी को बहुत अच्छे से, मतलब एक तरीके से समझने लग जाएं. या अबे, you can ask question.
Ma'am, meditation we can do.
Meditation, हाँ, very nice. Meditation is a very good thing. I'll talk about it कि meditation को कैसे करना है. पर पहली चीज एक बहुत important है. हम सब अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी नहीं समझते हैं, right? What we think is अभी इस टाइम पे वी वुड गो इन टू अ सर्टेन सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन ऑल्सो, हम कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्पीट भी कर रहे होंगे माइंड में कि हमें इससे अच्छे मार्क्स लेके आने हैं, हमें इससे अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी, अभी जैसे हम थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो इतना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है या इतना नहीं हो पाता है कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर कल्चर को अडेप्ट कर सको. सो लिटिल बिट ऑफ अनफ्रेंडली कॉम्पिटिशन कम्स इन टू द पिक्चर. सो इस टाइम पे ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज कैसे करते हो. हाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है और किस वजह से हो रहा है. ठीक है, पहली चीज इज दीज आर द 3 बॉक्सेस दैट आई हैव मेड. प्राइमिंग योरसेल्फ, बट हाउ? प्राइमिंग मीन्स टू प्रायोरिटाइज योरसेल्फ. आप अपने आप को पहले कैसे रखते हो. फर्स्ट इज स्पॉट द ट्रिगर्स. ट्रिगर्स मतलब कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो आपको ट्रिगर कर रही है टू थिंक अबाउट दैट स्ट्रेस. आज मैं कहती हूँ कि मेरे को एग्जाम्स की वजह से एक एंजाइटी हो रही है, सो दैट इज योर ट्रिगर. If I say today my parents are pressurizing me to like top in the class, so that is a trigger. Understand your mind. जब तक आप अपनी बॉडी को नहीं समझोगे तब तक आप किसी भी चीज को क्योर नहीं कर सकते. हर चीज के लिए इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि उसका एक टैबू क्रिएट किया जाए. द मोर वी अंडरस्टैंड आवर बॉडीज, द मोर वी कैन क्योर अ पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम इन आवर बॉडी. ठीक है. Second is to stop the process of stress axis. Now stress axis is something, आपको stress हुआ, स्ट्रेस आपकी फिजियोलॉजी को सबको खराब करता चला जाएगा. आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को खराब कर देगा, आपके मेंटल हेल्थ को खराब कर देगा, आपके रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को भी खराब कर देगा. देन अगेन योर आईज, योर ईयर्स, योर नोज, एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड टू योर ब्रेन. सो योर ब्रेन रेगुलेट्स योर बॉडी. आपका ब्रेन आपकी बॉडी को चलाता है, आपकी बॉडी आपके ब्रेन को नहीं चलाती है. Understand this thing. So if your brain is healthy, your body is automatically healthy. ठीक है. Last is swap the bad with the good. आपने ट्रिगर को समझ लिया. Now what you need to do is, आप उस ट्रिगर को समझ गए तो आप उसको रिप्लेस कर दोगे. पर अगर आप उस ट्रिगर को ही नहीं समझ पा रहे हो, उसको नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हो, इट्स लाइक कैचिंग अ थीफ. ठीक है. जैसे आप एक थीफ को कैच करते हो ना, कि उसके एक प्रॉपर प्लान बनाते हो कि यार कहाँ से कहाँ आया था, कहाँ से कहाँ गया, हाउ डिड इट हैपन. सो यू नीड टू बी अ डिटेक्टिव फॉर योर ओन बॉडी. यू नीड टू डिटेक्ट योर बॉडी. ठीक है. सो अगर आपने ट्रिगर को समझ लिया है, यू स्टॉप इट एंड देन यू स्वैप इट विद द गुड फैक्टर. अब गुड फैक्टर्स को कैसे करोगे अगर समझ में आ गया. नाउ हाउ विल यू डू इट. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Shruti, can I have the next slide?
It's next.
Okay. So one thing that I've told you is what you think, what you hear, what you eat, all these things they compromise of the stress axis. आपका जो stress होता है इन सब चीजों से आता है जो आप देखते हो. Suppose आज मैंने एक न्यूज देखी, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा, it will rule the entire day. वो मेरे पूरे दिन को चलाएगी because my brain is running on that news. आज मैंने सपोज आई हैड कोक और आई हैड लेज. इट क्रिएट्स अ सिस्टम इन योर गट. गट हेल्थ सुना है किसी ने? लाइक एनीवन नोज अबाउट योर गट हेल्थ? व्हाट इज गट हेल्थ? नो आइडिया. सो योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज योर गट हेल्थ. सिंपल प्लेन. ठीक है. आपका जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होता है उसमें जितना भी खाना जाता है दैट रेगुलेट्स योर हार्मोन्स. आपके जो हार्मोन्स होते हैं वो आपके खाने से ही रेगुलेट होते हैं. तो जो भी आप खा रहे हो वो आपके मूड को डिसाइड करता है. आज आपने हाउ डज इट हैपन कि हम लड़कियों को ये बोलते हैं कि यार हैव चॉकलेट्स, योर मूड विल इम्प्रूव. यू हैव एनी आइडिया? हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स लव चॉकलेट हियर?
मैम मी.
मैम डोपामिन लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है चॉकलेट खाने से.
Right. Someone has an idea about it. So it's because your gut health, जो आप खा रहे हो, suppose you are having dark chocolates, so dark chocolates have a certain set of hormone regulation. ठीक है. आपके हार्मोन्स को improve करेगा. endorphins रिलीज करता है. endorphins are some good happy hormones जो आपको happy feel कराते हैं. when you switch to a unhealthy food, suppose आपने चिप्स खाए, it's more of a fat that you are consuming, तो वो आपके स्ट्रेस फैक्टर को और आपकी बैड हार्मोन्स को ग्रो करता है. तो जब आपके बैड हार्मोन्स ग्रो होते हैं तो इट लीड टू अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन, लाइक इट लीड्स टू अ बैड मेंटल हेल्थ ऑटोमेटिकली. इफ आई कैन से, अगर आपने कैफीन ज्यादा लिया है तो आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज हो जाएगा और आप पूरा दिन सोचते रह जाओगे कि मेरे को इतना स्ट्रेस हो क्यों रहा है. right? So whatever you consume it very properly in the times when you're sitting at home. आज हम पूरा time बैठे रहते हैं घर पे. We are not doing any activity. We are just eating and we are just either कोई PUBG पे है, कोई WhatsApp पे लगा हुआ है, कोई Instagram पे लगा हुआ है. So whatever we eat, whatever we drink, it is a big part to our mental health. How? I will tell you here. So ये 3 sections आपको दिख रहे होंगे. Second, brain is our gut. This is what I call. आपका जो brain होता है, that is your first brain, but आपका जो digestive system होता है, that is your second brain. Okay, because it regulates a big part to your mind. ठीक है. Serotonin, dopamine and cortisol are 3 hormones that come into the picture. Serotonin is your memory booster. काफी सारे लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हम बहुत जल्दी भूल जाते हैं, हमें नहीं याद रहता, राइट? एंड काफी लोग इस चीज से फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कि मुझे नहीं होता है याद यार. ठीक है, it used to happen with me. I'm a doctor, but nobody told me that serotonin plays a big role in my memory boosting. So I switched to a healthy diet, and healthy diet में मैंने क्या क्या include किया that worked out. It does work out. Okay, suppose I'm having a banana, almonds, eggs that are rich in omega fatty acids, vitamin D. 15 minutes of sunlight is very important for our body to secrete serotonin. ठीक है, जितना ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स आप ऐड कर सकते हो अपनी एंटायर बैलेंस डाइट में, इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ एक चीज मैं एम्फेसाइज करती हूँ बार बार, जितना नेचर से क्लोज रहोगे उतने हेल्दी रहोगे, जितना नेचर से दूर जाओगे उतने अनहेल्दी हो जाओगे. ओके, एनीथिंग दैट इज प्रोसेस्ड, एनीथिंग दैट इज adding on to a lot of preservatives, it's not good for you, not for your health, not for your brain. ठीक है. So second is dopamine. Dopamine is feel good hormone that makes you feel good from inside. So काफी सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना, मम्मा बोलती है ना चंपी करा लो घर पे. ठीक है, कभी कभी चंपी कराते हैं ना हम लोग, we feel good about it, right? It's because the dopamine is released while you are pressurizing your brain or your head at that point of time. So dark chocolates, omega-3, you can Google it that which all foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acid. उसमें से आपको जो भी पिक करना है you can pick and you can include. काफी सारे लोग चने खाते हैं, अगर सुना होगा चने, they're really good. कुछ लोग स्प्राउट्स खाते हैं in the morning, they're a very good source of proteins. So जितना भी आप एड ऑन करते हो अपनी बॉडी में, that adds on to what you eat. So eat and consume properly. ठीक है. Cortisol is something that is a stress hormone. Now स्ट्रेस को कम करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? पपाया, इट्स वेरी गुड इफ यू कैन हैव. ग्रीन टी बहुत सुना होगा. कैमोमिल टी इज ऑल्सो देयर, यू कैन एड ऑन टू दैट. आलमंड्स हेल्प टू रिड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. गार्लिक, घर में लहसुन बहुत यूज करते हैं लोग, कई लोग. ठीक है, अनियंस, these are a good source of reducing your cortisol level. tulsi की जो leaves होती हैं, you can add on these particular things in your diet and most probably they will regulate the entire brain, or you can say your health. So आपकी overall health improves. It's not just your mental health, it's your physical health too. Your physical health and your mental health both regulates, एक साथ रेगुलेट करती है. फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं होगी तो मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है, मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है तो फिजिकल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है, राइट? So this is how we go. You can have sweet potatoes, green leafy vegetables, vitamin B12, vitamin E. Then saturated fats को थोड़ा avoid करो, जिसमें ज्यादा लगता है, जैसे donuts होते हैं, burger होते हैं, there are lays. Please avoid that at this point of time. ठीक है, next slide.
Samriddhi ma'am, there is Khushi Shirohi who has raised her hand, and Swapnil.
Okay.
Please go on, Khushi. Ask your question.
Music that is coming on. Okay. Yeah, Khushi. Khushi, you can ask the question. Khushi, can you hear me?
I guess she is trying to ask, but her voice is not reaching us.
Exactly.
Audible. Can someone just tell her how she can? Abhay, if you can ask her.
Mom, she can ask from the chat box even.
Ma'am, can you now?
Yeah, Khushi, now I can hear you.
Yes, Swapnil.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, I was, ma'am, may I?
बोलो बोलो खुशी.
Ma'am, I somewhere read that the people who laugh a lot are also stressed or depressed.
Right.
So, it's like I laugh a lot, but I don't think I'm stressed.
So there is one thing, Kushi. First of all, laughing is not bad. Okay, laughing is not something bad. Laughing is to reduce the stress. Okay. When you're not feeling good about something or you cannot take over something inside you, you laugh. Okay. Laughing is a good technique. Laughing will help you throughout. There are laughing therapies that people do to cure a lot of diseases or a lot of things. So laughing is not at all a bad thing if you're doing. And if you feel you are stressed out, then you need to talk to a person about what you are stressed about. आपको एग्जाम्स का स्ट्रेस है, आपको पेरेंट्स का स्ट्रेस है, आपको क्लास में किसी चीज का स्ट्रेस है, यू नीड टू टॉक टू अ पर्सन अबाउट इट. आपकी टीचर है, आप टीचर से बात कर सकते हो इस बारे में. बट लाफिंग इज डेफिनेटली नॉट समथिंग दैट इज बैड फॉर यू. ओके. Okay, next.
Next was yes, Swapna.
And you have said the banana is a memory booster, but banana contains a lot of fat in it.
So can you repeat the question?
When you have said that banana is a very good memory booster, but it contains fat also.
Right.
So it does not harm the body, harm the stomach.
Okay, so I'll tell you one thing. Okay, this is being feeded into our brains that fat is something bad. It is not bad. Okay, fat body को चाहिए regulate करने के लिए सारी चीजें. आपका fat हर चीज को regulate करता है. Okay, so banana has good fat in it. Banana doesn't have a bad fat. कुछ लोग morning में banana shake भी पीते हैं. If you might have heard. So people who go to gym, they have banana because it boosts your hormones. It creates a good sense of gut health. आपका जो gut health होता है, आपका जो digestive system होता है, वो उसको भी improve करता है. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप, मैं ये नहीं बोलती आपको कि आप सारा दिन बनाना ही खाते रहो, you don't have to become a monkey, but you can have banana just to keep your digestive system healthy and to boost your memory at times. Like one banana is not bad for you. हाँ, but अगर आप ये बोल रहे हो कि बनाना एक खा लिया और उसके बाद 4 चिप्स के पैकेट खा लिए, तो वो बैड फैट है.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 more questions. One from Prachi Singh. Yes, Prachi.
Ma'am, I want to ask that is chocolate bad for a brain?
Chocolates.
Yes.
Okay. So there are 2 types of chocolates. Okay, there is one, the normal one that we eat. Those are the normal chocolates, and another are the dark chocolates. So for girls, I would specifically say that they can have the dark chocolates rather than going for the bad ones, the normal ones, because even I realized it very later when it comes to your reproductive health or your further health that needs to be carried for a woman. Dark chocolates play a very big role, like because we consume chocolates. It's something that we cannot avoid. I truly agree with that. Even as a doctor, I cannot avoid chocolates, so I cannot ask you people to stop eating chocolates, but you can switch to dark chocolates. They are much better and they provide a better reproductive health also for girls, like in the further scenario.
Not for boys.
No, boys can also have it. But there is something that relates to, women health when it comes to dark chocolate. So that's a big research, another thing. I won't go deep into it.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Ma'am, last question is from Samriddhi Verma.
So Samriddhi to Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am, I just wanted to ask that as you stated that overthinking is one of the main problems as well, and we must report it. But I do not get it that when it is called a thinking and when it starts when we start saying overthinking, what's the difference between the two, and how do we how can we see that now we are overthinking over something?
Good Good question. Nice question. Yeah. So normal thinking doesn't hamper your functionalities. Okay. Overthinking will always do that. आप normally भी think करते हो. Overthinking को मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि you it will stop suddenly. Like it won't stop एकदम से. अगर मैं बोलूँ आज आप overthinking करना छोड़ दो, it won't happen in a day. ठीक है. बट टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंकिंग एंड ओवर थिंकिंग, आप नॉर्मली जब थिंक करते हो तो आपका स्लीपिंग पैटर्न, योर एपेटाइट, द वे यू फील डजंट गेट हैम्पर्ड. ओके. बट जब आप ओवर थिंकिंग करते हो, so you don't get to sleep properly at night also. You will keep on thinking and thinking and thinking, and it won't stop. It will be endless number of thoughts in your mind. Okay. And because of that, eventually it will create a sense of system that either you will eat too much or you will eat too less. So your appetite also changes there. So overthinking obviously hampers a lot. I will talk about it in next slide, how to stop doing that. Like how you can minimize it. I won't say you can directly stop it. Overthinking doesn't stop because you cannot control your brain. But you can do certain amount of activities where you can pause and you can just stop your mind and relax and stop those thoughts.
Ma'am,
Okay.
one more thing I just want to ask that do you also believe that whatever we think just before sleeping matters a lot?
Yeah, it does. So I'll tell you one thing. Whatever you think before your sleep, it's all because what you have watched and hear in the entire day. Okay. Last thought that comes is because how you feel. Okay. So whatever you feel, whatever you hear, today I heard bad news, it will come at the end of the day in my mind. So consume wisely. आप जितने भी accounts follow करते हो, आप जितना भी whatever content you see on social media, whatever you hear through social media or news has to be consumed in a limit. अगर आपको लग रहा है वो आपको hamper कर रहा है, आपको अच्छा feel नहीं करा रहा है, stop there. ठीक है. That is why I included this slide, because I know this question comes it comes repetitively. The question is, how do we stop these repetitive thoughts? Okay, how do we do it? Now, I would love to tell you one thing here. It's a small fact, but it plays a very big role. 60,000 is the average amount of thoughts our brain carry in a day. Okay. In a single day, you have 60,000 thoughts. Now you just understand, out of those 95% thoughts, they are copy pasted thoughts. Why? Because what you see, what you hear, and then again you imply to your own mind, they are all copy pasted. They're not your own thoughts. Okay. So out of those thoughts, 80%, usually it's a research that I have placed here, 80% thoughts are negative. How can you feel good after having 80% of thoughts being negative? It's not that you are depressed or you're going into some sort of mental health issues, and it's because you are carrying these thoughts as 80% are negative thoughts that you're carrying. So why not do one thing? If we understand that we have 80% of negative thoughts, why can't we control, or why can't we do something to boost these thoughts? Why can't we do something about it, right? If we know so much about our body, we can do a little for our body, right? Next slide. Shruti, next slide.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so these are few coping techniques that I will talk. Okay. How the entire coping thing works. अगर आपको triggers समझ आ गए हैं, अगर आपको overthinking लग रहा है आप कर रहे हो, और आपको ये लग रहा है कि आप control नहीं कर पा रहे हो, these 80% thoughts that are negative, how can you manage all these things? ठीक है, एक one step by step चलते हैं. First is your routine. If you're getting up late, if you're sleeping late at 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, eventually your entire day is screwed up. Okay. So routine plays a very big role. आप पूरा दिन में क्या कर रहे हो, productive कर रहे हो या non productive कर रहे हो, that is very important. कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो consume, so it is not bad. Second, social engagement. इस time पे social engagement zero हो गया है. We are not interacting with more people. We are not talking about our problems. We are just keeping them in our mind. हम अपने पास रखते हैं, अपने आप ही सॉर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं और खुद ही डायग्नोस कर लेते हैं. Like I had a word with her. She says I am laughing too much, and is it a sign of stress? Now, until and unless you don't know about how your body is reacting to the stress, right? You cannot self diagnose. Self diagnosis कभी नहीं करना चाहिए किसी भी चीज के लिए. Until and unless कोई medical professional person आपको कुछ बताए, don't go with people. लोग कुछ भी mental, जब mental health की बात आती है, I have had innumerous amount of conversations on mental health. लोग अपने opinions को भी रखते हैं mental health को लेकर. There's a lot of taboo. People don't want to talk about it. But if you are someone who has understood your triggers, your pattern, you can self heal yourself. I would use the word heal here. ठीक है. So third is your physical fitness. It plays a big role. I would prefer you people to go out, play badminton, play hockey, go for cycling, or go for any sort of activity that you love. It's very important. 25 minutes to 30 minutes won't do any harm to the entire routine. It will just add on to your brain health. Okay. Last is your digital detox. I've been talking about it since years to students. हम जितना ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी savvy हो गए हैं, I think no other generation was there. This is the generation that is going towards technology, and technology is taking over our holistic health, overall health. Okay, lot of students have got what do you say, like there are a lot of problems. There are vision problems, there are thinking problems, cognitive skills zero हो चुके हैं, attention span has decreased. क्यों? Because you might be seeing YouTube giving you those sort of 2 second of ads or something like that. It's because a human cannot concentrate on a particular thing for a particular seconds. Attention span decrease हो चुका है already because of the consumption of technology around. So digital detox is the key. Screen, आप सबके पास phone होगा. I'm sure everyone might be using phones here. How many people have cell phones here? Anyone? Nobody has. I cannot believe this. Mahima, is it true?
Nowadays, everything is using phone. I guess everyone has. We can't exist without it.
So your teacher cannot lie to me, okay? So I believe everyone somewhere or the other, even if it's not phone, it might be computer, laptop, or any sort of technology that you guys are using. There is always an option of screen time on your phones. आप कोई भी technology use करो, there is an option called screen time. Why not be a little bit of sensible and wise while you're using technology and switching to a new generation that is technology savvy, right? So आप लोग एक काम कर सकते हो, मेरे लिए कर लेना या अपनी टीचर के लिए कर लेना. Just switch on that tab, okay? Screen time has to be recorded while you are today. Most probably after the workshop gets over, Mahima, you can do a little bit of, like, it's a headache, but definitely you can go for this one thing. Anyone who's using phone or computer or laptops can switch on their screen time from tomorrow. For a day you can do that and check what is your screen time. It's if it's more than 3 or 4 hours, it's something that is not good for you. If it's something that is less than 3 hours, I give you a thumbs up. That's pretty good, okay? If you're going for 1 or 2 hours.
In this lockdown, the screen time increased a lot.
Yeah, it has
on
increased.
a laptop, on computer, on mobile. The homework are on the digital. We have to submit it on. So how can we reduce it?
So I would suggest, अगर आपका screen time ज़्यादा आ भी रहा है, make sure it is productive. It is not something that is unproductive. I don't say that it shouldn't be 3 से 4 घंटे से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, but एक चीज़ का हमेशा ध्यान रखो कि whatever you are consuming on the social media or whatever you are doing through technology needs to be very healthy. It shouldn't be something unhealthy for you because it's creating a space in your brain, right? It acts like a brain food. जैसे हमारी बॉडी को खाना चाहिए होता है, हमारे ब्रेन को भी खाना चाहिए होता है. So it consumes through technology in today's time. Okay, so keep a track of screen times. That is called digital detox. It's the management of your screen time, management of the time that you invest in your technology. So you can Google it out. There's a video also that I've done on digital detox. There are a lot of things, a lot of people are talking about. People who are outside India, they're doing this digital detox because they know it is hampering their mental health. Okay. Last is the self-care. Now, self-care is something that you all need to do. This is the last thing that I'll be talking about. It includes mindful breathing and mindfulness. Mindfulness is when you lead your mind towards healthy thinking. So what to do with that? How to go for self-care, right? Shruti, next slide.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next slide. Next slide, not this one.
Next, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Someone is asking question, I cannot see. Yeah, you can speak. Who is it?
Ma'am, I just wanted to get the
Can you just
way
state
out
your
of it.
name? Who is it? I cannot
Ma'am, my
see.
name is Vaishnavi.
Okay. Yeah. Huh.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to get the way for it that some people are habitual of reacting too fast. Just like me, I react too fast, and then later on I realized that I should have waited for a minute and should have realized that what could be done other than arguing or reacting angry. So, ma'am, I just wanted to know how can we do that, because when situation like this arises, we don't have we could not think over it that you should not react or you should keep calm. We could not think over it. So, ma'am, is there any practice which can keep us in habitual?
So it's a good question. I think because we all tend to overreact at times, and we don't have any control over it. It usually happens when you have a lot of like I can say in this manner that you might be having a lot of thoughts in your mind, and you might not be feeling good about something, and then you react too quickly because that is your trigger. So that I don't know what is your trigger. You need to figure it out. What makes you overreact? So if you've spotted that, then you can work out on few exercises and make yourself calm down. It is going somewhere towards the aggressiveness part also, right? So if you spot the trigger, I'm always emphasizing spot your triggers. Okay, if you can understand what is your trigger, you can most probably work out on a lot of things in your body, right? So there is one exercise that I'll tell you. Okay, now this is called box breathing. Okay, I have had a word with a lot of psychologists, and they do usually recommend this sort of exercise just to keep ourselves at calm, peace, and to pause. Now to pause is a very difficult thing for students because we are so energetic. We do have a lot of questions, a lot of things regulating in our mind, and how to do it, how to score well, how to eat good. These are all sort of questions that come in a mind. But eventually to have this one thing clear and to make a good if to take a good decision, a healthy decision, you need a peaceful mind, you need a healthy mind to take that good decision for yourself. So box breathing is something that goes through like a box. Okay, you all can just see it and do it. So what you need to do is for 4 seconds you breathe in. Okay, breathe in for 4 seconds. I'll say you can do it. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Now breathe out for 4 seconds. Now again hold for 4 seconds. Now breathe in for 4 seconds. Now hold for 4 seconds. And then again breathe out for 4 seconds. So this is just a small synopsis to something that you can practice. It usually creates a sense of centeredness. Like you come in the center. आपका brain अगर ऐसे होता है, तो it comes like this. Okay. Eventually, I think teachers and parents also can practice this because this has been something that has been told by psychologists also that I've been working with, that while your brain is at like it has too many branches like this, so it comes into the center, and then again you feel very good when you are centered at a particular thing. Then you can decide something very well, think well, feel good inside. You release happy hormones because again you took a pause for your mind, right? So something that you can do for yourself. And while you are doing this, some people tend to say this one thing कि मैम इतना ज़्यादा stillness नहीं हो पाता है, like pause नहीं हो पाते हम लोग. Repeat your name while you are doing this, okay? Like in your mind, speak it slowly. You can speak your name while you're doing the entire thing, so your focus will be on your name, right? So this is one thing. Shruti, last slide. इससे जो पहले वाला slide था, इससे पहले वाला.
Just a second, ma'am.
So I think this technique can be done by teachers also, since we all go through a lot of anxiety and a lot of stress, carried by multiple amount of thoughts pattern. And I think they require it the most because I am already connected with a lot of teachers and they do have this kind of thing. So this is the last second thing that I'll talk. I think it has gone too long and too boring also. So the second last thing is grounding technique. Why I call it grounding technique, there is a reason. You focus on your breathing and you identify, okay? Now why when your mind is at too many things, you need to do just 5 things to center it out, okay? First, 5 things you can see. 5 चीजें state करनी है that you can see. Okay, Abhay, I'll do it with you, okay? I'll do it with Abhay. So 5 things, Abhay, you can see in your surroundings. Just name them.
Ma'am, trees. Ma'am, laptop. My diary.
Right.
Pen. Cup.
Right. Comes out to be 5.
Pen.
So you took time to figure it out, to see, and then to speak, right? 4th is you can touch. 4 things that you can touch.
My diary, my cup, pen, laptop, my pen. Remember, trees are far away.
Far away. Okay. Let's not go there. You'll jump out of the window then. Okay. So 3 things you can hear. So obviously you can hear us. So any 3 sounds that you can hear. Now hearing also plays a very big role. 1 thing you can taste that you can do. Any particular thing that you have just eaten, or you can just eat and just, you know, make it like one thing that you tasted. It was sweet or it was salty. 2 things that you can smell. Smell plays a very big role because it's a big perception. आपकी surrounding में क्या smells हैं? Like it's good perfume or it's something dirty. If you can recognize it, if you can recognize that smell, it's something that all the 5 systems of your mind are working properly. When you taste, smell, think, see, and touch, when 5 things you can figure it out, that means now it's perfectly fine. You're good. Okay, you are at a good place. So these 2 techniques I would recommend you people to do when you are feeling too much anxious, not good about something, overthinking, or have fear about something. This is something. Yeah.
Ma'am, you are explaining really well all of this psychological problems. I'd be really glad if you answer just one query. I had it since June actually. Ma'am, may I?
Yeah. Can you state your
okay,
name?
ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Pallavi Singh. We all know this Sushant Singh Rajput's case. So, apart from all the nepotism stuff, there was something that struck my mind. And though I read it just once, but I cannot forget it. He said that despite having such a splendid career and all the visits to NASA which he had, all the hobbies and stuff, despite being a star, he did not have many friends. He felt awkward in the public gatherings, and he felt alone despite having a good family, and he had some not good friends, I'll say. He had one or two close people, but they were not so close either, because I feel if they were, they would have stopped him from being depressed and ultimately taking his own life. So I want to ask this. I personally feel that there are many students and people out there, especially the introverts, who face this problem. And I don't know about myself, because I don't know why I'm relating so much. Maybe I do it and I don't know. But what would you suggest to get get rid of this thing, being feeling awkward and left out, and even after explaining yourself to others, they take it lightly and they overlook it. They just overlook it, because for them depression is the sadness which comes and goes. So would you please help me out? I'll be very glad. That's it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to say something on this. May I?
It's a controversial topic, but I'll give just one person to say. Okay.
Ma'am, so may I?
Bolo, bolo. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am not any means eminent person or any psychologist that I can answer her. But yeah, when she apprised the point of Sushant Singh Rajput, I would just like to say that if anyone is feeling depressed or is not feeling good, he should not relate himself or herself to such type of person who did something wrong to them because of this. Because no one knows what actually happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. We are not his friends, neither of his family. Neither his family members know that what made him do like this, or even he did this or not, or maybe someone murdered him and presented like he suicide. Because we don't know anything. What media and government will want to show, that only we will get to know. So I think no one should relate to such things to themselves.
Ma'am, I want to rephrase my question, please, if I can. Just a question to you. Ma'am, it wasn't about the suicide. Okay, it could be related like that, but from my point of view, it wasn't about the suicide. Basically, what I wanted to say that he had all the success, and I mean, the people say that, I mean, if he had all the money and such a good career, what was it something which, despite having all this, all the freedom, he was so depressed? I'm not talking about his suicide, but in other interviews, he expressed himself that he was depressed. So, I mean, despite all this, if one is depressed, then what could be the reason? That's what I'm wanting to say. And being awkward and different, that.
So see, this topic is something that is very controversial. Even the people who are connected with him like too closely, his family is not able to figure it out whether it was a suicide or he was depressed. So we are no one to say that he was depressed or it was a suicide, right? Now, one thing I want to make clear here is, if something like this happens and we get to hear this one thing, obviously it hampers our own mood or our own life somewhere. Even I got affected by it too badly, and constantly seeking the same news again and again everywhere was creating a trigger inside me also. Okay, because the question comes even after having so much of name, fame, money, being so happy go lucky guy, how he was how did he go through the entire thing, right? Now the first question that arises is about the introvertness. Okay, so people there are students that are introvert, those who don't share more openly or don't talk it in open. A lot of people, they have those kind of personalities. But one thing is sure, if you have recognized that person as an introvert, why can't you approach that person? That person might be feeling difficult to approach or to talk in the start, but once that person finds a safe ground to share, that person will definitely come forward to share with you. Okay.
Excuse me now.
Yeah, who's this?
Ma'am, Prachi.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I
Prachi.
want to ask that some people say that there are two types of people, if they're introvert or extroverts. So there is nothing like that, because there is not any people who doesn't share any of his emotion to anybody, or a person who expresses all the feelings. There must be a person in between who something hide or
See, it's not you who decides whether you are an introvert or an extrovert. You need a psychologist or a proper medical practitioner to identify your personality. Now, we are no one to tell you that you are an introvert or an extrovert. Okay, some people, they do have a tendency to speak less. That doesn't mean they are introverts. They feel safe in their own space, right? There are so many people who feel good in sitting at sitting in the room and just doing their work, so that doesn't mean they are introverts, right? Now, one thing is very clear, that mental health doesn't seek any personality. Okay, whether you're a star, whether you're a doctor, whether you are a teacher, whether you're a student, it can hamper anyone. So it was same applied to Sushant Singh also. I don't want to talk about this topic because there are so many things that are not clear with him. There are still so many updates that are coming regarding him, and still there's a lot to be revealed, so we don't know how. The only thing that I will say is, don't connect someone else's mental health to your own mental health. You have a unique body, everyone has a unique body, they have a unique mind to regulate. So everyone works at their own space, right? So one thing is clear, that mental health, obviously it's not visible. You need to identify, you need to spot the triggers, and you need to see what exactly is one thing that you are not feeling good about. If you don't have anyone to share around, then seek help. That is what I'll say. There are so many organizations that are working through this thing. I'll state few organizations. One is White Swan Foundation. You can write it down. If you feel someone around you is not feeling good, and probably you are someone who wants to speak about your problem, one is White Swan Foundation, another is Samartians Mumbai. It's a very big organization that is working on mental health issues. Then third is your Vandravela, and fourth is your you might have heard Deepika's foundation. Okay, it's the Live, Laugh and Love Foundation. So 4 foundations already working, and you cannot say you might not receive help. You will always receive help from these platforms. It just needs the right kind of approach. Okay, so this was the technique that you can all go for, and I think mental health को बोलने से अच्छा है mental fitness बोलो यार, because mental health पे बहुत taboo है. Mental fitness बोलोगे तो you will work out more towards it. Like normal physical fitness होती है, ऐसे ही mental fitness भी होती है. ठीक है? So this was all. I hope I made it easy for you. I tried to make it easy for you. So thank you guys for just attending this entire thing. I would direct it to Mahima now. I think Mahima can lead it.
I think actually you stole the entire show. We had questions up our sleeve, but then you answered, you carried the entire session. I think she, yeah, right away, she covered all the questions, I guess. Is there anything
Yes,
left to
ma'am.
ask?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, more.
Yeah, and I'm also glad the fact that there were a lot of students out there who asked a lot of queries. So
Probably all the students who have these questions can obviously look up to House of Health platform, and we will definitely do certain workshops. If we can help students out here, I would love to do that.
Is a game on? I mean, I thought there was a surprise factor, also some fun thing for our kids over here.
So next I head to my
We have
team now,
time
and
for
they'll
that.
be taking forward.
Should I, ma'am?
Yeah, Shruti, you can continue now. Okay, guys, please chill now. The medical part is over. I've made it I think too much for students, but it is required. It is required to know this much.
Ma'am, I have another query, but it's apart from mental health. May I?
Do you have time for one more question? I think we are actually running short of time, so maybe we'll.
It's up
have
to you,
this-
Mahima.
We'll take up this question, one last question. Yeah, go ahead, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, Mahima ma'am, my question is to you.
To me?
Means I just wanted to be a psychologist.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
you can
ma'am.
ask. No
To you,
issues.
ma'am, and to means all the teachers present here from Hubsuffer branch. So, ma'am, I just wanted to ask that I dreamt of to be a psychologist, but then suddenly I changed my perspective. So, ma'am, will I regret for this in future? Because some of my companions told me that psychology is not much for your for much in benefits for you, or you will not get much success in it. So, ma'am, means will I regret for this?
I'll just talk about it a little bit. If it's something that is your passion, you really want to go for it, go for it. It's not something bad. And there are psychologists, career counselors that will guide you very well into this field because they know where to go and where to lead you. If you Psychology is a very big stream. It has got many sections to it. Okay, family counselor, career counselor, there are so many things into it, psychology mein. But it depends on who is your guide. If you're getting the right amount of guidance in this field, you can lead to a very good place. And psychology is not something, I think, it's the future of this generation. So nothing bad.
Ma'am, can we continue both the fields like psychology also at one end and at the other end like physician, doctor, or gynecologist, or means can we go with both the field?
See, going both with the both fields, you might get exhausted, no one else. Okay, so
All right, so let's take it up
let
from
this
there.
question be left for later on. Let Mahima take over now.
And Vaishnavi, you should, check out with a career counselor. They will help you to guide you to choose the right path much better. So let's come back. So over to you, Swada ma'am. I think let's move on to the final segment.
Sure, ma'am. So everybody's up for the game?
Yes, ma'am.
There are no smiling faces. Game is something that, yes, that's the spirit of it. So guys, thank you so much for listening patiently with Dr. Samriddhi Sharma. Now me and my team, all of us have prepared a game for you. It is something related to emotions. Fine. So I'll be sharing something with you. Quick and shortedly, it's your call. If you want to take it answer or something, you can just raise your hand and my team member Astha Agarwal will randomly pick up the name of the students and you all have to answer the questions. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now coming to emotion role play. So I'll also switch up with one name. Okay, Samriddhi Verma, because I can see you over here. Could you please let me know what does role play mean as according to you?
How do we react?
Exactly. Okay, anything else?
Ma'am, how do we react to a particular situation?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much, Samriddhi. So here I will be playing something for you all and randomly Asa will ask few students to answer those questions. Can we begin with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Over to you, Astha.
Hi. Firstly, I want Abhay to answer this. Like, what this emoji depict to you?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What do you see in this emoji? Like, what is this emotion is depicting to you? What is this? You just have to tell the emotion.
Ma'am, he is very happy and ma'am, he is very excited also.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, it's perfect.
Well
Thank
done.
you, Abhay.
Right.
So, Abhay, are you happy about something right now?
Ma'am, to take interview.
Okay. Okay, now coming to the second. The name will be
Priyanshu Quilty. Hello. Hi. Priyanshu.
Are you there, Priyanshu?
No worries. Samriddhi Verma. Would you like to answer?
I'm shocked or confused state.
Well done. It's right. Confused.
Coming up to the next. This time I'll take over. Daksh Suri.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is. I'm shocked.
Okay, this is shocked.
Right.
Okay.
That's right.
Now, coming to Ria Garg. Is there Ria here?
Maybe we can call from those who are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Asta can answer. Asta.
Yeah. Swapnil, you tell this.
Yes, ma'am. When there's some type of anger there, regret or something, you can say that frustration. The person is something frustrated.
It's jealousy.
It's jealousy.
They're jealous of this one.
All these eggs are jealous about the Cadbury creme egg because it's having its own importance among them.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Khushi Sharma.
Ma'am, I think that's sad emotion.
Sorry,
what?
Emotion. Which emotion?
Sad?
Crying.
Crying.
Oh.
See, the egg is broken and he's crying. Probably he or she is crying or it is crying.
Ma'am, but we cry when we are sad only, I guess.
Yeah, let's give her a pass mark. That's right. It's a synonym. Let's count it that way.
Okay, this one.
Next, Astha Bharti.
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Angry.
Can you tell me about this emotion?
I'm angry.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And this one?
Arpita Goel.
Laughing out loud, like very happy or laughing.
Hello. Arpita, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, this is a laughing state, like very happy and laughing out loudly.
Right.
Exactly.
And next is Parth Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to tell us?
I'm very sad.
Very sad.
I'm sad.
Here.
Yes.
What does the GIF depicts over there? Isn't that showing fear? Okay, the last one.
Last one, Divyang Goel.
Ma'am, this I think so. It tells he's very cool looking, like no worries.
This is the favorite emoji.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Sure.
Awesome.
Okay. Pretty near.
Any other guess?
May I tell?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
show offing.
Okay. Almost near. Almost near.
I think proud.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
proud of
think
you.
stylish.
Ma'am, a proud
Cool.
one. He is very proud.
Cool.
Yeah, who's
Very
cool?
cool.
Feeling cool.
Chill. Chill.
I mean, school.
I'm
Exactly.
proud.
Yes, exactly correct. He's feeling so cool about it.
Right.
Right, correct. Okay. So thank you so much, Astha, for helping me out. And thank you so much all for participating in the game. I hope that you all liked the game. Over to you, my ma'am.
Let me pass it to my host, Abhay. Let's wrap up and yeah, over to you. Abhay, let's Abhay.
With that, we come to the end of our show. What an enriching experience this was. Looks like we learned a quite of new lot of things.
Okay, we would love to hear more from you.
Yeah, exactly.
It ended too quick.
Well, thank you so much. That was really awesome. Thanks for joining us today. I think this has been wonderful. There is a lot of takeaway. I'm sure they had a wonderful session. Once again, on behalf of the entire Brightland school team, I thank you so much, the team House of Health. So thank you very much for joining us. I think
Thank you,
it.
Mahima, for giving us the opportunity and making the students aware of this very important thing. So, guys, next time nobody is saying it mental health, okay? At least not from here. Take it mental fitness.
Mental fitness.
Yeah.
That's a very important takeaway for me also. When I was talking to them, I was addressing mental health. Thank you so much. A lot of information, and thank you very much. So let's wrap up. Thank you all, guys. Thank you for joining us. They had a whole day. Thank you so much. A lot of
Okay,
classes.
thank you,
They
ma'am.
joined us.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. You all can follow me on House of Health Instagram. Yeah. I just forgot to say that.
You can join on WhatsApp or something then.
I'm already
I'm done.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Do follow us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Am I followed?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I see you?
Is anyone here?
Yeah, you can just like leave the meeting now. It's over. It's over,
Okay,
guys.
thank you all. Thank you very much. You may leave the meeting. We are done. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you,
Abhay.
Abhay.
Thank you,
Bye.
Gitanshu. Well done.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Mahima, I shall connect with you on call.
Okay, shall I leave too?
Yeah. Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
done.
Thank you. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye. Good to see you.
Okay.